Pass me the ball, Jake!
I can catch it!
Ouch.
My leg hurts! Jake, are you okay?
Stay calm, Jake.
Help arrived quickly.
We will take care of you.
I hope Jake is okay.
Tom felt worried.
Cool.
I miss my friend. Get well soon, Jake. This will make Jake smile.
Let's add some stars.
Jake will like this.
Let's go see Jake.
I hope he feels better. Hi, Tom. I'm happy to see you. These are for you. Everyone misses you. I miss playing soccer.
Your leg is healing well. You will recover soon.
You will recover soon.
That's wonderful.
Tom was a true friend.
I'm getting stronger.
Finally, Jake came back.
Welcome back, Jake.
I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you for helping me. It feels great to be back.
True friends help each other in difficult times.